Hey friends, welcome back. So here's my final on my own rust bucket group build, and as you can see it's pretty much done and complete. It has a little bit of warp, but I'm not sure if it was the front suspension or the rear, I don't know, but that's fine. It's where it's going. It's not gonna move, and it's gonna have a whole bunch of paper clips on the back, and it's gonna be pretty cool, pretty awesome. I'm really excited about this. Let's like this over real quick. I'm gonna try to hopefully not knock this down. So it's done. It's glued in place. I left that open just because kids, they're gonna want to be like, oh, ooh, let me, yeah. So I just left it off. So here's the underneath, and that I left it like that. I'm not gonna mess with it because I don't want to put too much effort into it, and then one of the 8th graders might want to just touch it and mess around with it. So it's very heavily crazy glued on. If I can say I did my own glue bomb on purpose, I literally did it just so that it can stand some beating. And you guys can see the underneath again. There's all the magnets and everything, and the front. Put the bumper, and it's got my daughter's name now that she's married. Hopefully when she gets her own kids and then become a grandpa, she gets to show this off. And the beauty of this, it's the hood. I like the hood, and the reason why is because I signed it, and this is to my big baby Ariana. She's my oldest, and every time I see her, I always call her my big baby. One, because she's my oldest, and she's my big baby. So when I'm not around, I really hope that she can treasure this and remember the time when I did this. And when she sees the video, hopefully she gets to see the video. I know she doesn't see the videos, but she's subscribed, but she doesn't watch them. She goes, I don't need to watch them because I get to see them in person. So, which is fine. So yeah, guys, this has been a really fun build for me. One, because this is what I like. I like to tell a story without saying anything, and you guys can see that it's someone working on it. Someone's doing some type of restoration on this, and that's what I like. And another one that is very special because it's not gonna stay with me. It's going to a home, to somebody else who's gonna really treasure, really take care of it and treasure it, because it's coming from Dad. So that's pretty much it, guys. Here's my final. Oh, and I want to thank everyone who has joined the group build. If you guys want to join in, that's fine. I mean, the deadline is September 30th, but it's just for whoever wants to have a timeline. But if you want to just jump in just because you want to just do some weathering, just do an entry video and let me know. I'll keep track of your updates and stuff like that. And this has been fun to see everybody else's entries and updates. It's really cool and neat to see different types of rust technique, and we all want to get the authentic look, and we all seem to achieve that. And again, there's no perfection. The crappier the better. So, and you guys have seen this, how crappy this kit was when I first got it, and I only paid $5. Actually, you know what, my daughter bought this for me. If you guys go back a few stash ads, I think my daughter bought this for me. how ironic is that? Just thought about that right now. But she bought this for me. I think she paid $6 for it at Goodwill, and now it's going back to her. That's so funny. But all right, guys. See you guys on the next one. Happy modeling.